Morning, boomers. Today I'm working on a special request piece. I survived 2020. We just started the laser burn. Got a little girl in a mask, COVID symbol. Over here on the side, the second laser burn is going to be I survived 2020. Basic 5x9 live edge piece. I haven't finished patching the mark yet, but right now what we're working on is the pour. Going to have a resin burn and then a pour in here, maybe in a mint or a bright blue. Today we're etching the burn. Like in here. What we're doing is digging a trench. I don't know if you can see the depth. It's only about a 1/4 inch of pour. We're going to pour a bright resin in here, fill it in across the top, a little bit of eye catch. And the laser etch, the laser burn is going to be down here at the bottom. Wording on this side, I survived 2020 or I survived COVID. Haven't quite decided on that yet. It's a special request piece. I like the etching so far. And I'll update it as the progress comes along. Later, boomers.